Hi, welcome. So we are still looking at comparing two numbers. We started looking at the different ways to help us in comparing. So I made mention of using the digit system. If the digits are different, then it is easier. But if you have the same digits for the two numbers, then it is very good to use the place value chart. The third one we are saying is the digits are the same for the numbers, and the value of the extreme left are also the same. So you realize that the digits on the extreme left of both numbers are equal. So let's take these two numbers. I have the same digits. So I have 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 8. Then I have 5, 6, 8, 1, 4, 0. So these are the numbers I have. Okay, I want to compare them. Let's use the place value chart. So I use the place value chart here. So with our place value charts, makes it easier to get this thing. So I have, with this I have 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So I have the values 523,418. Then I have 568,140. So we realize that our digits are the digits are equal 6 digits. We would have used the extreme left to verify which one is greater. But this time, the extreme left, both are equal. I have 5 here and 5 here. Does it make it equal? No, it still doesn't make it equal. So we check the second place from the extreme left. And see, we check it when 5, 5 and equal there be. Now back to the next way place which is the 10,000 place. Now check it ashe numbers na there no. We say there it is 2 and 6. And see numbers when you be used to check it. Say greater, less than, or equal to. So with these two numbers, what do you see? You realize that our 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6. This means that this whole number is less than this number. So then I can conclude and say that 523,418 is less than 568,140. 140. Let's take another example. Let me use another example to explain. I have so this number, if I ask you to pronounce this number, I hope you can do that. Very good. So write it in words. Let's see what we are getting. Okay, so I have this. What do I have? I have ones. If I asked you to write in words, tens, 100. This is 1,000, 10,000, 100 words. thousand. This is going to be what? Million. Then what? 10 million. So if I ask you for the place value of what? 8. The place of 8 is what? 100,000. What will be the place value of 8? Okay, it's going to be what? 800,000. This 8. Don't forget, this 8 is different from this 8. Anyway, where place near tens, where place near what? 100. You should take note of that. Okay. So now let's try writing it. We want to compare the numbers. Assuming we know place value charts no na aye easier. Numbers in so ntini bi wa obo a na akoye den enti yewo ahe 10 million, yewo million, in yewo 100,000, yewo 10,000, yewo 1,000, yewo 100, tens and what? Ones. So yen share 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 5, 2, 3, 8, what? 5. In our second one here, 6, 8, 1, 7, 0, 5, 1, what? 3. Okay. It's so we had digits in here then the same. We have extreme left in this one. Numbers in here the same. If it says if it is the same, let's go to the next to our right from the extreme left. Into a check way. Into one of them was 7 and then words and words 8. So if you compare the two numbers, you realize that 7 is less than what? 8. 7 is less than 8. 7 is less than 8. Don't forget the symbols. Okay, 7 is less than 8. So from here, it means that this number is less than what? This number. So I can write 67,852,385 is less than 68,170,503, which implies that this is greater than what? That. This is what's greater than this. Now let's look at the other way. If the two digits, the fourth one says that so the first was the digits, so the fourth one, let's say we have same digits. Our digits are still what? The same. And two digits from the extreme left are equal. So let me take this as a very simple one and let's see what I'm saying. So I have 361, 360 was 5. Okay. So if we're placing it in the place value chart, you realize that this is what? Our ones, tens, and what? 100. Okay. So you realize that the digits are what? Equal. So the digits, they are what? 3 digits. If you look at the two digits from the extreme left, that is this and this are equal. this and this are equal, this is also what? Equal to what? That. If you have a situation like this, what do? We are saying that then we compare the what? The third what? Digit. You compare the what? Third digit. So which is the third digit? This is the third digit. 1 and what? 5. If you compare, you realize that 1 is the same saying 5. And to me, I can say 361 is less than 365. Yeah, for another example, compare 27532 and 27089. Okay, so let's compare these numbers. We are told the easiest is what? Use the place value chart. If you are finding it difficult pronouncing it, knowing the word, so you have what? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, then 10 what? 1,000. So it's the same, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and what? 10 what? 1,000. The digits are what? The same. So I have what? 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and what? Ones. So what do we have? 27532. Then I have 27089. You realize that the two digits from the extreme left, they are equal. So this is your extreme left, this is equal to that, this is also what? Equal to that. So if you have something like this, what will be say? Then we're checking next one, which is the third from the extreme left. All kind from left, equal right. We will say your way 5 and 0. It will be compare 5 and 0. We have 5 is greater than the 0. Should I say way? As to say way. Until to me I can say 27,532 is greater than 27,089. 27,000 and what? 89. Let's look at the last on comparing digits. Place value always makes it what? Easier, the chart. And I seem to enjoy it a lot. The fifth way, if the digits are the same, if the digits we are looking at are the same, we put equal sign to show that they are what? The same. That is the numbers. So that if I have 52 and 52, you realize that they are what? They are the same. They are equal. Two digits. But the value are what? The same. The value at each place, they are what? Equal. Then I can say that 52 is equal to what? 52. 52 is equal to what? 52. Then if I have 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, 8 and 6, 7, 3, 1, 2, 8. So I have 673,128. You realize that they are what? They are the same. So this is equal to that. 1, 2, 8 will be equal to this, which is 673,128. This will be all on comparing numbers. Practice more on your own, but don't forget to subscribe. Till our next lecture, work hard.